The 1111 portal is an activation of the heart chakra, is an activation of the third eye. And the activation of the third eye and the heart chakra means one thing and one thing only. Love at the deepest level. Love is rushing in. It is rushing in because you now are being activated in this 1111 portal, the 11th of November, as that vessel of love. And it is that vessel of love at every aspect of the self. Yes, base and root chakra. Yes, sacral chakra. Yes, solar plexus. So the should have, could have, would have's, we let go of. The sacral chakra, we align with our soul purpose, why you came here. Twins come here, twin flames come here because they hold the sacred divine feminine codes which now are activating on the planet, which are now activating within the universe. And they are calling you into your soul purpose, your soul alignment, your safety and security of your base and root chakra. That love now is flowing, and it is flowing in those 3 lower chakras, moving up to the higher chakras. And who operates in the lower chakras a lot? The divine masculine. But it is activating in all chakras, actually in all 12 chakra system. And if you want to know more about the 12 chakra system and why it activates on this journey, then my Journey to Oneness course is there. We go into it so deeply. There is hours and hours of content in there to show you why it activates, how you can align with it fully. But right now, this 1111, the 11th of November portal activation is you are the vessel for love to flow. You are the vessel for love to activate. You are the vessel that is embodying love at the deepest level. And guess what? As you fully embody love at the deepest level, it reflects through and it ripples through to the one soul frequency. And who is the one soul frequency? You as the feminine and the masculine. So as you fully embody love, it automatically flows through to the divine masculine. You are the vessel of which love now is aligning and is flowing, and it is ready for that 2026 energy and frequency. We are in preparation. The 1111 portal brings in a preparation energy for 2026. That energy of 2026, which is all about the deepest love. It is all about surrendering. You know, on this journey, one of the keys to the journey is surrender. But how do you surrender? By letting go at the deepest level. When you feel, I've surrendered, go and question yourself. Go and self-inquire. Go and soul inquire. How deep can I really go? How can I let go at the deepest level? How can I let go and let love be in its full existence? Because when it starts to move in that energy, it moves into that Christ conscious frequency, which activates that divine crown chakra energy. And when that starts activating, that is when everything starts to flow through. This energy right now is powerful, is transformative, is activating. Yes, you will be feeling ascension symptoms. The energy will be flowing in, and you may even feel like, I just feel like crying out of nowhere. I don't know why I'm crying. I actually don't even know who I'm even crying for anymore. It is that old energy dissipating out. You may be feeling those aches in the body. You may be feeling it in the legs, in the back of the throat, as that throat chakra is moving up and it activating that third eye. You may even be feeling those tension headaches and feeling like, I just need to sleep. I feel exhausted. As you are fully embodying this beautiful frequency of high love frequency, of sacred love, of divine love. And first, it must flow fully through you in order for it to ripple through and transfer through to the divine masculine. If you want more help and support through the journey, then my website is there. Whether it is learning how to align with your soul purpose, whether it is learning how to work with energy and frequency in the shamanic sense, in the beautiful, beautiful divine sense, whether you're wanting to understand the twin flame journey or how to work with those Mary Magdalene and Christ conscious frequencies, everything is on my website to help and support you on the journey, so you no longer feel lost. You no longer have to endlessly search. Everything is there so you can let go and let that love flow in. Because as it flows in that one soul frequency. And you and your divine counterpart hold that one essence, signature, and frequency together. I send you so much love. My website is 3wscatsacredsoul.com. 3wscatsacredsoul.com. I send you so much love. Have a beautiful, blessed day.